Marketmind, more doom and gloom looms for Europe. Have a look at the day ahead in European and global markets from Alan John. Europeans can be hoping Wednesday's monetary records will offer a few respite after a string of negative headlines, but beyond shape shows they'd be silly to guess an excessive amount on it. They might even be higher off taking a punt on miserable figures, as at least their winnings may offer some small cheer if the terrible news arrives. British inflation information is due at 0600 GMT, and economists polled by using expect it to reveal customer costs rose by way of 9.8% in the 12 months to July, a similarly acceleration from the 9.1% upward push mentioned for the 365 days to June. That's no longer excellent information for British people who saw income for the second region adjusted for inflation fall by 4.1%, the biggest drop on the grounds that records started in 2001, consistent with information released on Tuesday. The very last analyzing for Eurozone Q2 GDP is likewise due on Wednesday, and even as initial facts confirmed faster than anticipated increase, even then economists mentioned it might be the financial system's final hurrah. If information from down underneath offers any clues, they aren't tremendous. Earlier on Wednesday, New Zealand's central bank signaled a greater hawkish tightening direction over coming months to restrain stubbornly high inflation, even because it brought its seventh directly hobby rate hike, and Australian salary growth neglected forecasts and lagged badly behind inflation. The Kiwi dollar to begin with climbed at the news earlier than giving up its gains, even though the Aussie held onto its losses. Asian stocks eked out small gains in morning buying and selling, following overnight gains on Wall Street, wherein financial data is less depressing. Japan turned into within the lead with the Nikkei up 1%, whilst MSCI's broadest index of stocks outside Japan rose just 0.2%. Key trends that might influence markets on Wednesday: UK July CPI, July PPI, Euro area Q2 flash employment, Q2 GDP, US July retail income, US 20-year Treasury auction, Fed Reserve releases minutes from July policy meeting at 1800 GMT, New Zealand's critical bank assembly and press convention. European profits: Swiss Life, Carlsberg OTC, CABGY, Uniper US earnings, Lowe's NYSE, Low, Target NYSE, TGT, Cisco, Nasdaq, CSCO.